वालेकुम अस्सलाम, I am fine, alhamdulillah.
Walaikum Assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, students, yesterday, day before yesterday, last class I have given you one worksheet based on subtraction word problems. Have you all done that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any
Yes,
problem?
sir.
Is there any problem in that?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so first of all, we will. Okay, so this worksheet I gave you. So let's discuss
I
these.
have done, sir, and I submitted.
So, so first of all, let's discuss these questions. Okay. So in question 1, Aisha has 12 dolls. Mahira has 9 dolls. How many more dolls does Aisha have? Okay. So what information we have? Aisha has 12 dolls. Okay. And Myra has 9 dolls. How many more dolls does Aisha have? So we all know that 12 is greater than 9. Okay. Who is having 12 dolls? Aisha. So it means Aisha have more dolls. But we need to find out how many more she has. How many more dolls she has. So to find out how many more, we need to find out what we do here to find out how many more. Yes, students. So the keyword is here more. How many more?
Three. Three.
So what we have to do?
Three.
So here we have to subtract. Okay. So to find out how many more or how many less, we need to do subtraction to find out how many more. So the bigger number is 12 here. So first we will write 12. Okay. And we have another number 9. Okay. Which is smaller. So we will write 9 at one's place below 12. Then we will subtract it. Okay. So you need to regroup it. Take one from this side to make it bigger. So it will become 12 ones, and here 0 will left only. So 12 minus 9 is 3 only. Okay. And here 0 will left. So it means Aisha has 3 more dolls. Okay. Aisha has 3 more dolls. Okay, so like this B part, Maisha has 17 stamps. So you have to read the questions very carefully in a story based problem. Okay. So Maisha has 7 stamps. Pradeep has 28 stamps. Okay. How many less stamps does Maisha have than Pradeep? So she is having only 17 and Pradeep has 28. So Maisha has less stamps. But we need to find out how many less she has. So to find out how many less also, we need to do subtraction. Okay. From the bigger number. So bigger number is 28 here and smaller number is 17, and then we will subtract it. 8 minus 7 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So Maisha has 11 less stamps. In third part, there are 15 boats in the sea. 7 are red in color. Okay, so total 15 boats are here. Out of 15, how many boats are red in color? 7 boats. So how many are not red? So yes, to find out how many are not red, what we will do? Subtraction or addition?
Subtraction.
Very good. So total 15 boats are there. Okay, and how many are red? 7 are red. So take out red boats from 15 boats, then you will get which are not red. Okay, so 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, you can regroup it also. So we can't subtract 7 from 5, so we will take 1 from the tens place. So here 0 will left, and here it will become 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay, so 8 boats are not red. What we have done here? We have taken out red boats from total boats, then we will get the boats which are not red. Okay, like this. Part D, Ahil has 25 chocolates. Okay, and he gave away 13 chocolates to his sister. So gave away means, students? Yes, can you tell gave away what I told?
Subtraction.
Yes. By looking this clue word, you can understand that you need to perform subtraction here. So okay, so Ahil has 25 chocolates. He gave away 13 chocolates to his sister. How many chocolates is still left with him? You have to find out left one. How many are left? So to find out how many are left, we'll do subtraction also. 25 and the smaller number is 13. In subtraction, we always put the bigger number on the top, okay, and smaller number below that. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So how many chocolates is still left with him? 12. So you can write Ahil has 12 chocolates left with him. I hope you all have understood. Yes, students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So everyone now open your book, math number line book, and open page number 66. So everyone open this page number 66. In exercise 3.10 also you have to solve word problems. Okay, word problems are given here. So first of all, yes, everyone opened the book. Yes, students. So let's see this example, student. One example is given here. These word problems are based on real life situations. Okay, so there were 5 frogs sitting on a log. So this is log. Okay, and how many frogs are sitting on this log? 5 frogs. 1 2 3 4 5, and one slipped and fell into the river. So this one frog slipped and fell into the river, this one. So how many frogs remain on the log? So here the keyword is remain. Remain means left. Okay, how many are left? So to find out left, we need to subtract. Okay, earlier how many frogs were there on the log? 5. Okay, so we'll put 5 here. And how many frog slipped? 1 frog only. Okay, so we'll write 1 here. How many are left? Then we will subtract it. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, it means 4 frogs remain on the log. Okay students, now let's see exercise 3.10. Solve the following subtraction stories. So Sneha had 9 bangles. Okay, how many bangles? 9. So you can count here also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 bangles are here. She gave 3 bangles to her sister. So how many bangles Sneha has now? In the beginning she has 9 bangles, and out of 9 bangles she gave 3 bangles to her sister. So it means she gave away 3 bangles out of 9 bangles. So we will cross out 3 bangles. 1 2 3. So how many are left here with Sneha? So you need to subtract it. Okay, so you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 bangles are left with Sneha. Okay, or you can arrange these numbers in column and then you can also subtract it. Okay, the bigger number is 9. Put 9 at the ones place. 3 bangles in the, yes, 3 bangles she gave away. Put 3 here at the ones place. Then how many bangles she has now? How many bangles left? To find out left one, we subtract it. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we will write 6 at ones place. Okay, at tens place nothing is there, you can put 0 if you want. Okay, so Sneha has 6 bangles now. Understood students? She were having 9 bangles. Out of 9 bangles she gave away 3 bangles. Gave away means to subtract. So we will subtract 3 from 9, we will get 6. It means she has 6 bangles now. All of you understood it?
Yes, sir.
If you have any query, you may ask. You can write in the chat box. So student, rest of the questions you can do by yourself. Part B, C and D quickly. Mike, Azma. Yes, beta, explain part B. Quickly. Exercise 3.10 part B.
Sir, tell me page number.
Page number 66. What were you doing earlier, beta? I told in the beginning that we have to open page number 66. Yes, Aliza Sharik.
Yes, sir.
Explain part B.
There were 5 fruits in a basket.
Yes.
Rina ate 2 fruits. How many fruits are left in the basket?
Yes.
5 plus 2 is equal to 3.
Yes, very good. So how many are left? How many fruits are left?
3 fruits are left.
Very good. Sidra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, explain part B. Unmute your mic. Explain it quickly. Mohammad Aqib.
Yes, sir.
Yes, explain part B.
5 minus 2 is 3.
How many fruits are here in the basket?
3 fruits.
No, how many fruits are present in the basket? Total
5.
5. So out of 5, how many Reena ate? How many fruits Reena ate?
2.
Okay, so how many fruits are left in the basket? What do you?
3.
Yes, to find out left one, what do you have to do?
3 fruits. 3 fruits are left.
So yes, student, all of you done this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, students, so now come on page number 67. So making both sides equal. New topic is making both sides equal. Okay. So student, can you tell me which sign it is? Yes.
Equal. Equal.
Yes, very good.
Equal to.
Equals to. Very good.
Equal
So
to.
this is the symbol of equal to. Okay, this is the sign of equal to. Okay, when we put this sign, when we have same things. Okay, look here. Here we have 3 on the left hand side, and when we put this equal sign, it means we should have 3 here on the right hand side also. Okay, Here how many balls? 3. So it should be 3 here also. Then we will put this sign, equal to sign, when both the numbers, both the things on left hand side and right hand side equal. Okay, this is left hand side. You can write in short form also, LHS left hand side, RHS right hand side. Okay, when you put this sign, then you need to take same number on both side. Okay, suppose here you have 4 and here you have 2. So are these equal? Yes students, can we put this sign symbol? No, we can't do this. Okay, because here we have 4 on the left hand side and on right hand side we have only 2. So we can't put this sign, this symbol equal to sign, because 4 does not equals to 2. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to make both the sides equal here. Okay, if we put this sign, so it means we have to make here also 4. Okay, so what we need to add here to make it equal both sides? Here we have 4, so on right hand side also we have to make 4, but we have here 2. So let's count forward 2, 3, 4. It means we have to add 2 more in this to make both the sides equal. Okay, now both the sides equal. Let's count all, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here on the right hand side. Okay, now both the sides have equal balls. So to make equal, to make both the sides equal, we can add. Okay, we can add and we can subtract also. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. Okay, 2 balls and here we have 3 balls. So to make both the sides equal, we can subtract also from the bigger number. Okay, so from which number we will subtract? From 3. Okay, because 3 is bigger number, we can subtract only from bigger number. So to make both the sides equal, how many we have to cross out? 1. Okay, if we cross out 1 from this side, from the right hand side, so both sides will be equal, 2, 2. Okay, so to make it equal, we can subtract 1 from 3. Okay, so 2 equals to 3 minus 1. So both sides are equal now, because 3 minus 1 is also equals to 2. Okay, and on left hand side we have only 2. So both sides are 2 here. Let's take another example. Here we have 5 balls. Okay, and here we have 2. So we have to make both the sides equal. Okay, on right hand side also we have to take 5 balls, total 5 balls on the right hand side also, but we have 2 here on left hand side, right hand side only 2. So what we need to add in this? Let's count forward. So we have to make 5. Okay, so 2, after 2 what comes? 3, 4, 5. So for making 5 on the right hand side, we need to put 3 more balls. Okay, it means you have to add 3 in 2 to get 5. Okay, now both left hand side and right hand side equal, because 2 plus 3 is also equals to 5. Are you getting, students, or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you face any problem, you can write in the chat box, okay? Then I will explain again. So we can add something to make both the sides equal, okay? Or we can subtract also to make both the sides equal. Okay, let's take another example for subtraction. How to make both the sides equal by subtracting. Suppose we have, here we have 3 and here we have 6. Both sides are not equal, we have to make it equal. So how we can make it equal? Here we have 3 on the left hand side, and on right hand side how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what we need to subtract from this to make it equal? Let's cross out. Here we have on left hand side we have only 3, so we will leave 3 on the right hand side only, and rest of the balls we will cross out. 1 2 3. Okay, so now how many left on the right hand side? 3, and on left hand side also we have 3. So both sides are equal now. Okay, it means from 6 we have to cross out 3. 6 minus 3 gives 3. Now both the sides are equal. Now students, look at these examples. Here we have 5 bats on the left hand side. Okay, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 bats. And on right hand side how many we have? 1 2 3. So we have to make both the sides equal. Okay, so we need to add on the right hand side to make equal. So how many bats we have to make on the right hand side? So 3 is already here, 3 are already here. Then after 3 4 5. To make 5 we need to add 2 more bats to make both the sides equal. Okay, here we have 5 on left hand side, and right hand side we have 3. So we need to add 2 more in this. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So both the sides will be equal. Okay, and look here, here we have 5 on left hand side, 1 2 3 4 5, and on right hand side we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 5 is not equals to 6, so we have to make it equal. So from bigger number we will cross out 1, okay, to make it equal, because only 5 bats are on the left hand side. So here also it should be 5 bats on the right hand side also. 1 2 3 4 5, and rest we will cross out. Okay, so 1 extra is there only, so we will cross out extra 1. Okay, it means from 6 we will subtract 1 to make both the sides equal. Okay, so now I am giving you some questions, you have to write in your notebook, okay, and do solving that. So everyone take out your notebooks. So student, do these now quickly. Yes, are you all writing in your notebooks?
Yes, sir.
Do it quickly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Students, you have to show numbers also. Okay? Like in first one, I'm telling you. Here we have on the left hand side we have 5. Okay, we have to write 5 also here. Okay, and here we have 3. Okay, to make it equal, we have to draw balls as well as numbers also we have to write. Okay, to show both the sides equal.